Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
Alright, are you ready now?
Sei pronto? Che
Okay, it's already recording. Okay, I'm beginning.
Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm taking over the kitchen and I'm going to surprise us with a delicious jollof rice, and I believe you are going to enjoy it. Just come along with me. Before me here are the ingredients, and I'm going to take them one by one as I commence the cooking, so come along with me. Before me here is garlic, ginger, cubes, not cubes, and scotch bonnet. With me here is some bell peppers, red and yellow. This is onion, and this is fresh tomatoes. These are scallions. This is mackerel fish. And here I have assorted meat, beef, pomo, and turkey. When you hear pomo, it simply means cow skin. It could be from the head, it could be from the leg. This one here is thyme. You have Geisha, mackerel. Alright, this is chopped tomato. This is tomato paste, Paprika product. And this one here is GranPesto. Look at it, it's Italian product equally. Aromat. This is Nutmeg. Here is also curry. Here we have Paprika. And we have maize oil. And of course, even if you forget everything, you cannot forget salt. Finally, here is rice. I have about 4.5 cups with that measurement of this tomato paste cup. Alright, come along with me as we put them together and see the outcome. Here is thyme. It goes with the meat. A small quantity. This is the onion. I'm taking few and leaving few for the stew. I'm adding some garlic, and I'm also adding some ginger, some pepper, and finally nut cubes, 2 nut cubes. I forgot to mention I added some water before adding the meat. Just a little quantity, not too much. This is salt. Alright, I want to add my fish. I'm about to start frying my stew. I'm adding some oil. garlic and ginger. Alright. I like frying the meat small before adding other ingredients. And fry the meat at least not more than 3 minutes. 2 minutes is enough. I'm going to be adding some scallions, reserving some for garnishing of the rice. I'm adding the fresh tomato. I'm adding the bell peppers. Then the remaining peppers. I'm adding my tomato paste. This is a leftover from the one I used before. I know some people used to put this immediately the oil is ready, and this is how I do mine. It always comes out good. So what we are doing in cooking is experiment. Anyone you do that gives you what you want, continue with it. I'm now putting the chopped tomato. Then stir until everything comes together. I'm adding the remaining cubes of my Knorr cubes. Then we are now cooking everything up. This. I'm now adding this. A spoon is enough. Let's go for 2. I said 1. Let's go for 2. Because of the quantity of the rice on now. I'm adding the Geisha. Curry. I'm adding nutmeg. Paprika. Salt. Then mix everything together. Okay?
Okay.
Or you allow it to burn. So that the taste will come out.
Guys, don't mind him. Don't allow your food to boil. Oh my god. Must you joke in everything? Hey, God. Can me be the camera woman? Oh. I'm holding the camera for him. He's the one cooking today. This is his recipe, not mine. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Let's go back to the pot.
I'm going to be adding some hot water. After pouring the water, you allow it to boil. Here is my rice. I've already washed it with cold water and hot water, very hot one, instead of parboiling. Some people avoid this, but this is how I do mine. It still gives me what I want. The most important thing is that you wash it accurately. Wash it until the water is transparent. That's all. I did that with enough of hot water. Now you see the stew is already boiling. Gradually, I'll be pouring in my rice. I've added some salt. Then you add the fish finally. And the remaining scallion. I'm done. Every ingredient is here. Then cover it and allow it to cook. Make sure you keep checking on the rice from time to time so that it doesn't get burnt.
I'm ready to go to school.
I'm done. Very delicious, perfectly cooked.
Well. It looks so colorful and so beautiful. Hey, remember, it's me that will follow the result. I'll taste it. Look at him there. He likes to wash as he cooks. Where is my spoon? Let's taste it. Right from the pot with my baby. Oh my God. Oh Lord. No. Seriously. Okay, if you doubt me, go and make it the way he made it. And then you can come back and tell me if I'm telling the truth or not. This thing tastes so good. Is good is understatement. So deliciously delicious. That's the word. But seriously, it's so tasty. It's so tasty. Let me chinkwe.
Dish.
Okay, dish now. Oh no, everywhere. So good.
Alright, the food is done. Should I taste it for you? Or do you want to go and try? I think the best thing is that you should go and try yours. And come back in the comment section and tell us how it turned out for you. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell below for more videos anytime. Oh my God.
This is it.
Alright.
Action.
If you want more of these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and take care of yourself. Goodbye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?